Okay, so we're all up now. Okay, wow. Let's go, let's go. Alrighty ho. Alright, what up, squad? What up, squad? We just do all this stuff, get it all sorted. Wow, Asian, we broke the level. Holy shit. Righty ho, which wait until you guys follow in here. What up, early squad? Yes, let's go. Came on a bit earlier today. Yep. Thought, why not? I like it too much. I was like, just get me on, boy. If you're new here, make sure to like that subscribe button and that like button. Let's just chill over here for a second. Let's check about news. We had news at 7 AM. It looks like unemployment rate is it's decreased, which is good, but it was expected forecast, so normally the news doesn't change much if it's expected. We got plus 8.3, so very similar. Claimant count, forecast is minus 71. So before it was minus 7.8. So let's have a look at 7 AM when this news came in. Yeah, it came quite aggressively. Nice. So I'll get rid of all of this in a second. Just wait for everything to fill up. I'm just gonna do an Instagram one. But yeah, it's finally good we're actually getting out of the zone now. So let's just let me just take a Instagram video. We are live now with the gang. Let's go, let's go. I'm just gonna take my Zoom link and give that to people in my chat. Zoom link for the Telegram. Let's go over here. For London. Wow, we're filling in this morning. Welcome everyone. Let's go. So yeah, what we're gonna be waiting for is some nice trades over here. So let's go. Min says, morning, what do you think about the buy GJ when 4-hour flip bullish again? We have some liquidity grab already. Oh yeah, 4-hour looks good. Yeah. Looks like we've closed above this range as well, but I'll do a full analysis in a sec. Wait for closure above that resistance. Yeah, so this flipping is quite nice. So we need to see where this candle in an hour's time closes, and this one in 9 minutes time. So first of all, let's start like we always do every single morning. We're going to look at the horizontal lines over here. So you can see the daily before closed above. This is what I put in my mentorship group last night. We closed above over here. Really solid. So I do expect price to start continuing. So let's take a look here. I'm going to make this a yellow line, and this is the daily flip. Make sure you like the stream, guys, in the morning. Let's go. And yeah, we'll be doing a lot of analysis today. See if we can get some trades off. So yeah, as you said there, the 4 hours flipping again. We have exceeded the low of the previous, but we are still bullish. Morning, Giovanni. Oh, I love that name, Giovanni. That's a fire name.
Thank you.
Lovely stuff. Right. So yeah, we've got the 4-hour flip. Let me just mark this on the chart. Okay, amazing. So we've got our lines here, and someone asked, which I'll explain on why we kind of do this. But someone asked in the Discord, and I will explain in a bit. And then we look on the lower time frames here. We can see, well, we had support at this level. This is kind of the first support line I can start to see, which is just under the daily flip, which is completely fine. And you can see we had resistance. So what I'm looking at here is we had resistance at this zone. So now this can be the next zone over here. And you can see right on this resistance, so I could put it right here. We have broken above, closed, and exceeded, which is great. So you can see now this 30-minute at this time is going to be making some support over here. You can kind of see we're already kind of making support on this 4 hour. So what I'm expecting is for price to close and make some nice bullish candles. Obviously maybe not on this candle. Actually yes, 37 minutes left. Like this. Or maybe like this, just making support. Next one makes a low wick on the 8 o'clock, and then the 8 o'clock will exceed, and then we'll look left for targets over here. So let's just draw this out over here. Let's have a look to the left as well. Yes, we've got a really nice target for the tops over here. So this will be the target zone. The issue is that if we get into a trade at these highs, we've only got, you know, squeeze it 10 pips, so maybe it's a bit lower to get it, or to exceed these highs, 152.548, which is in 20 pips away. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna wait until this next 30-minute and 50-minute close and see what we can get out of this trades, because you can either get on these highs, but the thing is that the zone is quite small. So maybe buys above 152.545 for me. We'll have to see where this candle closes, etc, etc. Good morning everyone on the YouTube. We've got the squad going. We've got all of the buttons. Yeah, make sure you subscribe, guys. I think everyone here is already subscribed, so we need to if you guys share it into, like, if you've got group chat stuff, make sure to share it and people can come and join. So yeah, at the moment I'm going to be waiting until we get some kind of solid closes in the next 50-30 minute candles over here. But it does look like we're making support, and we should continue up to these zones over here. That's good. And that deep pullback into this zone is nice. So I do like this. So let's just do GPAUD as well. Oh wow, I got a notification later on that we broke the high. So you can see here at this point 4:30 we broke the highs and stuff, and then we started running off nicely. So do a fresh analysis again every single morning. Make it the standard of just doing this every morning. It's just a lot easier. This is the daily flip. This is the 4 hour flip. Wow, look at this 4 hour closing above all this resistance over here. So very easy buys for Asian today. You can see at the moment we're coming towards a 4 hour resistance at this zone, so we may find it quite difficult to break above any further, but we'll see over here. Yeah, so the next kind of resistance is this zone. The reason why I marked this off is because here it was support, so you can see here is active support if we drag that along. Active support here, here, and here, and now it was resistance here. So this is the next target zone, and you can see that we're quite close to that. So 18 pips away, got some wicks that I could be rejecting. So what I preferably want for GPAUD, if I was looking for the trade, was wait for a pullback, wait for a retest on some kind of level. If we look left for trying to find a support, let me just try and find one over here. Yeah, so you can see there's kind of support right near this 4 hour wick. So let me just pull this here. And this is where I'll be wanting for some support for GPAUD to then start getting it back up. So for me, it'll be looking like this. This candle could run off, but for me, there's not enough room really, and we're already quite bullish. Already ran quite far. So what I expect price to then do is something like this, and then it'll relax probably through 9:30 to 11:30, and then at 11:30. We will start the continue of the bullish with the volume, get a candle close up like this, then I'll be getting a buy on this candle. Then if you get a close above, I'll hold some runners on, and then it should continue like this. Good morning everyone. Good morning Andre. Hello, my bro. How you doing?
Chilling, my dog.
Squad's back. Let's go.
Sir.
So yeah, that's kind of my thing for GBPUSD. I think it's already ran quite a lot. I expect price to kind of relax and chill for a bit. Let's look at GBPUSD as well. Wow, 26 people on the stream already. It's only 7:27. Damn! Make sure I like the stream, guys. Already on 16 likes. Amazing. So yeah, let's take a look over here for this channel. Let me just probably saying that my stream's a bit laggy, so my Wi-Fi might be a bit shit. My dad just bought that fucking Elon Musk's fucking satellite thing, so I was like, sheesh, get that thing on, my boy.
That's dope.
Yeah, like the big fucking satellite, Starlink, whatever the fuck it's called. Ooh, GBPUSD looks choked as shit. Let's look at the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, so you can see here clearly on the 30-minute we have resistance at this level, which has been respected. If we do break above here though, we have resistance at this level, so you can see quite chalked until 1.38544 level, and then when we do get in buys above here, then they'll be clean to 571. I'll probably wait, to be honest. Let's move this resistance level to above here. So when we do exceed 571, we will come back up to these highs and should be tapping these zones at that point. So for the moment, let it do its thing. For me, sells are going to be below this to get rid of all this traffic over here. Sells are going to be further down at 1.3826. But yeah, it doesn't look too good today, so we'll probably give that a miss. And let's take a look at gold. See if there's any more news for us. No, we're all good. Let's take a look at gold over here. We were so ready for some gold sells yesterday. Holy shit! But that shit reversed like a bitch.
Facts, bro.
Because we're waiting for the top
was
wick,
in good
bro.
positions though.
Yeah, bro.
We were in good positions.
I was ready to take that bitch. So also, guys, if you're in the Discord, make sure to send in some charts to the stream, okay? Oh, we've already got Big Mike in. Big Mike is a G.
Oh yeah, he be on my stream as the G.
He fire.
Good Big Mike.
Big Mike's a G. Yeah, look at this. So exactly the same as me. Waiting for closes above 152,650 and sells below 151,950. Amazing. So let's have a look over here. What the fuck is this? Oh. What the fuck? What the fuck? Sarthak, try and send me a different thing. Try and send me with like a chart link with the camera on here. Please send us that, yeah. But amazing, as usual. Big Mike smashing the trade setups. This is all I did when I was younger, you know, kind of putting in my charts and seeing if we could get the same as what Raja did or whatever, whoever I was looking at the day. Monty for London sometimes. So yeah. So my stream okay? I think it is. Can you also do USD CAD? Yeah, can you? I'll do USD CAD in a bit, but try and send me that chart again in the Zoom.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Sorry. I forgot my mic was on. Sorry.
Bro, that was fire.
Yeah. Nice.
I rate that name, you know, Giovanni.
Yeah,
Are you Italian?
No, I'm from Aruba.
Oh wow, sick.
Yes, but I live in Holland though, so.
Oh shit, Holland, damn.
Yes. We're practically neighbors, right?
Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
Love that, bro.
Yeah.
Right, so you can see over here. Ooh, it's quite chalked gold. Look at gold over here. So I was looking for sells below this zone over here. Actually, I think it was further. Where was it? Yeah, it was down here. And this is going to be exactly the same for today. So we were looking for sells with this huge closure at 130. I was like, oh my god, this is going to run. So for me, I am only looking for sells down in these zones to pass all this crap. So 1785 zone is going to be perfect for sells over here. And for buys, I kind of want to get rid of all of this chalked crap. So for me, it's going to be above these zones over here. So 1799 closes above. And will be nice to then ride it back up to the highs over here, which is 40 pips away. And then continue either bullish or bearish. So you can see I don't want to trade gold in this shitty area at the moment. I just don't think they're clean. The candles are kind of not representing anything, and they don't know where they're going. So that's completely fine. We just need to leave it alone. But for me, ooh, okay, GJ. Can you move your mic a bit closer? Yeah, I've done it now. Don't you worry. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like the stream if you guys are enjoying this stream every single weekday on London. And yeah, I've got my brew. I'm gonna try and drink all of it today. Fuck yeah. So what are we doing here? We've actually made support at this point. Let me look at this 30 minutes. What are we doing here with that? And to be honest, I mean, Antonio, what do you think about this? If we make a lower wick over here,
looking at it, I would prefer buys above 152.441.
Yeah, like here.
Yeah,
that makes sense.
Because it's cleaner traffic.
Yeah, so I was thinking if we get a closure there, the only issue is that we do have only quite a slight range, 11 pips. I mean, it's not too bad, yeah. And I mean, to be honest, this line over here should actually be a bit higher because that's just zone to zone over here.
Yeah, it's around like 13 pips.
Yeah, that's
like
not
14 pips.
That's not too bad. Yeah, so for me, yeah, let's just make this. This is the clear, yeah. And if you get in earlier here, that would be silly because what over here we have support. Can you see? We've been making supports. Now it's resistance. So if we take a buy over here, price comes up over here, we could just reject it. It'll be useless. So more confirmation is when we're going to get a candle looking like this. So this candle will make a lower wick, come up, close on the 8 o'clock, preferably around about here, make the lower wick, and then come on here. So you can see we plan before things happen. There's no point in trying to guess. We always try and plan before the trades, and then when we start seeing the setup going, we're going, shit, we know the setup's a pretty good thing to do, so let's just execute on it. So that's the way to do it, guys. Always try and plan what you're looking for, and then when it actually comes to fruition, you can just enter. We also know the 4 hour is here, the 4 hour flip here, the daily is flip is here. So above both of these candles. Not candles, both of these lines, so therefore we are pretty bullish. And as I said here, Antonio, the daily looks fire. Look, this candle closing above. 100%. Fuck yeah. First candle closed above. I like that. So people who swing trade. I mean, I was speaking to Controller Effects about it because the boys are trying to do something over here. You could theoretically, when this candle closed over here, and then you did a bit of an Asian lower wick and then flip. You could do this.
Stop at the lows of the previous daily.
Yeah. So let's see over here. So how much should this be? 26 pip as well. That's not bad. So 26 pips. Already hit 1-to-1. But the thing is though, that is just having a 10 pip trade. It's like, bro, you've been in it for fucking 6 hours.
Yeah, for hours.
You know what I mean? So it's just like,
depending on where your targets are, you're probably also gonna have like swap if you hold it past.
Yeah, swap fees and shit. Yeah, very, very true. But it's a little thing to look at. So yeah, we're waiting for buys above this zone over here. So let me just mark this up. Buys above 152.440. Wow, 50 views already. God, jeez, the squad is rolling out. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Wouldn't take buys above 144 or too aggressive. No, I think that's good. I think that's fine. Clean candles to the left to fill up this zone. So you can see that this zone here is vibing, it's just chilling. But when we do get a break, we're going to be filling up this zone. So, very, very good. Very, very easy. So Opinion on AUD CAD. Can you send me a chart, please? I can't do all of the squad. I can't do all of the charts. So Bruno, the squad, yes sir. We are back. Yesterday was pretty quiet. I think everyone just came back. Everyone's seen GJ close bullish like this. They're like, oh shit, we're leaving finally.
Yeah, that deadly range last week in the past 2 weeks.
Yeah, bro. Fuck. Let's make mods. Oh shit, yeah. So mods. Can I do this? Okay. He wants to be a mod. Add moderator. There, I think I've done that now. Sick. Antonio, can you do this? Wait, who else can I whack in as a mod? Amazing. Lovely stuff. Yeah, so I kind of want mods because I know that this stupid fucking bots come in and they piss me right off. So yeah, we're waiting for closures above this zone, which is going to be good. I'm looking for closures because, as we said, I only take impulses when we have kind of got some good confirmation, maybe on the 5 minute if we can run up. I find Mondays really slow. Alright, fair enough. I find that some Mondays are really good. Yeah?
You want me to sign in? And then...
Yeah, sure.
And then comment so you can make me...
Yeah.
Right.
For sure. Yeah, just to help me out. I mean, I don't really know how it kind of works, but I think you can like, ban people and shit, so...
There you go.
So yeah, closes above here, and then for sells, oh nice, there we go. And then for sells, for me, sells are going to be very, very, you know, they're going to be, and even sells, when we get to the zone, we're back in this fucking shitty range. So I'm not even going to try and put sells into the universe today, because fuck that. I swear to God, right, if this happens today, like, if we just fucking, we come up here, we reject it, and then we come back down here, and then we come back into these ranges. Oh my god, I'll actually kill myself. Like, come on, please, get out of this fucking zone. So yeah, that'll be fine, completely fine. GPAUD. Oh wow, so it's gonna hit the top of this resistance that we said. I mean, holy shit, look at this zone. So how much it just ran by when we closed above? So closed above here, 50 pips, mate. GBPAUD. I am gonna make it my bitch. I'm not gonna lie. Look at this hourly. I mean, obviously it's Asian, but it's just how clean it is. So for me, look, red resistance, easy hourly close on this candle right here. I enter on the flip when it makes a lower wick. Stop loss, I'll probably put like in this zone over here, probably at this high, and then target will be these zones over here, and it just runs so clean, like, bro. Let's have a look at the 30 and the 15. Look at that. Look how clean these 30s are, bro. Amazing. So GPAUD, I mean, for swinging and stuff. Wow. So it's hit this TP here. I expect price now to start kind of making some support, and then we can buy it later on. Is it musical, right? Is it too loud? Let me go check. I think it's all good. Maybe a bit too loud. So yeah, as you can see, guys, on my OBS, you can see I've finally got a magic keys code. I mean, the magic keys code is MXT10, which is like nothing to do with stop loss, but I think it's because they picked it similar to my name, which is Max. So, but yeah, MXT10 for 10% off. Make sure to use that if you can. And yeah, as I said before, make sure to like and subscribe. It is 7:40 and we've already got like fucking 40 likes. Sheesh. So yeah, GPAUD running nicely over here. What was people's charts they wanted me to do? I'll just do them now while we're waiting. I think they were, was it AUD USD? Let's check on here. Our Sothex has finally came. So price created a 4-hour top wick and then broke its own low plus the previous 30-minute low. I entered there as the probability was going down was high. However, it was during the last 5 minutes could have simply waited. Exactly. So that's what I would say to you. So obviously this candle was going to be only had 5 minutes. You need to think in that candle, does this 5 minutes have potential to run all the way down? So, you know, when you entered this trade, you expected this candle right here. 1 second. You expected that candle right there to do this in the last 5 minutes, do that theoretically. And you know, if this doesn't happen, the next one is going to make a top wick, and you don't know how aggressive this top wick is going to be, and then it should continue down. Now, what you should have done here, which is fine though, you're learning, is that you should have waited for this candle closure, so it's more confirmation. Then, obviously, exceeded the low straight away. You don't get in because you're waiting for the top wick. This top wick comes, waits for this top wick, and then if it just start dying down again and start flipping, that would have been the entry. But yeah, if it's too close to the 30-minute candle for closing, don't enter, because you know the next 30-minute candle is going to open and going to make a top wick, and you're going to take some drawdown at least, or you're going to get faked out. And in here, you took a lot of drawdown. But yeah, so if you're thinking of entering, just wait until you get a closure. Falling wedge on GJ. Ooh, falling wedge. USD CAD over here. Exited 50% here. Exit everything here. Price created a 4-hour top wick and then broke its own low. Plus the previous 30-minute low. I entered there as the probability of going down was high. However, it was during the last 5 minutes could have simply waited. Very, very true. Exactly again. Exactly kind of the same setup. Maybe you can just wait. Don't worry about it. Wow, a lot of people are joining. If you guys are new to the Discord, make sure to join the Discord. It's pretty fun over here.
Max.
Yeah?
Gold, 1 hour closure. What do you think?
Oh, let's have a look over here. Oh, shit. Do people say my screen is black? Oh, fuck. Is it bad?
Let me check.
Right. Oh, gold. Let's look at the hourly. Oh, look at the hourly. Fuck. Okay. To be honest,
Your
actually.
screen is fine, bro.
Yeah. Okay. So look at this over here. The hourly's just flipped, made a lower wick, which is looking good. We have a little resistance at 1793, which is also the daily flip. Okay. Okay. I'm actually quite liking this. So if we look further down over here, let's have a look at the 15. Okay, yeah. So you can see, for me, we have resistance at this zone. If you do get closures above 1793.6, I'm going to be looking for buys at that point. So preferably, I'm going to wait for this hourly closure, and I want this hourly to close above. So let me just write this down over here.
London open volume.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
That's a good opportunity. That actually.
Yes, sir. Yeah. With runners, for sure.
Yeah. People have been asking me to do magic keys and how to set them up, so I might actually do that because a lot of people, for some reason, don't know how to use them.
It's pretty self-explanatory.
Yeah, I know, but some people need some help in it. Min, wait, is 1 second here. When candle flip after making a top wick, do you enter on the flip or after it breaks the low of the previous candle? Yeah, so this question came up actually on my mentorship thing last night. Someone asked me, and it really depends on how far the wick is. So for example, if I'm looking for a trade to enter, if it's a buy, and this is the previous candle closure, okay, like this, and I'm waiting for the bottom wick. 1 second, bottom wick here, and then to exceed. Am I going to enter on the flip here or on the high? It really depends on how big the wick is up here, because if this is like 6 pips, then it's going to get me a huge amount of stop loss. So for example, this stop loss here is going to be huge. I mean, obviously for here it's different, but whereas if I go into the flip over here, it's a lot smaller. So it depends on how big the top wick is. If it's quite a small top wick, I'll just wait until we exceed the high. If not, I will wait. I'll just get in the flip. So it kind of just depends over here. Oh, look at this, nice. Take a look over here. Fucking hell, this music's loud, man. Holy shit. Check Nas, setting up nicely for sells. Nasdaq. I need to look at German 30 as well, actually. Ooh, look at this. GJ, get that volume, bitch. But yeah, guys, so nearly gonna hit 50 likes for London Open. Make sure to like the stream if you haven't already. Wow, I've already beat yesterday's likes. Yesterday there was barely anyone on, man. I was by myself. Wow, we got Zooms filling up as well. Luco and Giovanni and Antonio's in. Amazing. I was thinking the same. Close above. I usually wait for it to close above resistance too, but today the range is quite tight, around 10 pips. If it closes above resistance, also we traded below 1523 for a long time. Yeah, I'm still waiting for closures above here. I think it's gonna be pretty solid at that point. to get a trade in. But look at this, it's exactly what I thought I was going to do. So earlier entries 370 I probably would have entered if this was a bit bigger zone. But yeah, closures above 152.440 are going to be pretty nice. And you know, the reason why we want closures is because you don't want to get slapped just like yesterday. The amount of people yesterday who would have got slapped on these candles is ridiculous. Look over here. So I was trying to explain this last night in my group that, you know, look, these candles all rejecting. Someone trying to take impulsive buys over here would have had to take 5 losses, so 5 10-pip losses if it was normal losses, to then finally get the 10-pip trade here. Okay, so obviously that's net 40 minus 40 pips. So this is why impulses, you know, it's not like they don't work. It's just which one is going to break out. You don't know. So it's very, very hard to kind of estimate with stuff like that. Oh shit! I guess 30-minute over
GJ
here.
is coming up.
Oh shit! Right. Yeah. Let me get on this bitch over here. But it's good to set this up nicely. We're finally leaving this zone. The higher time frames are looking good.
Do you also trade GBPUSD, Max?
To be honest with you, at the moment I haven't really. Sometimes I do if it looks a lot cleaner. But I've seen it recently. It's just very slow for me. I feel it takes a lot of time to get to where I want it to be. And it's a bit, yeah. It's not as nice as JPY. And I also look at now GPAUD, which is what I'm back testing for this next coming week, not weeks, months. And then hopefully we can get in to some GPAUDs. Do you trade? Do you trade GU?
Yeah, I traded a couple of times.
Yeah.
Wasn't too bad, but yeah, like you said, it doesn't move that much. So,
yeah. If it takes a lot of time, it's like, bro, I want to be in and out.
yeah, me too.
Yeah.
You know what is good to trade for that? Also is German 30. German 30 moves.
Yeah,
really fast.
I've seen that. Yeah, I know. I will actually backtest that.
Yeah, it moves really nice. Once it breaks a zone, it flies.
Yeah, we can backtest that together on our simulation days. That'll be pretty good.
Yeah.
Wow, Min, you got 10 pips already. Sheesh, congrats, my boy. W, well done, my boy. How did you get in? Right here? A bit lower down. So yeah, 10 minutes time. Let's see if we can close over here. But no impulses for me, specifically for that example before. I don't care about that stuff. So yeah, we'll have to wait at that point. Wow, amazing. 46 likes already. So yeah, I'm waiting for this closure. 10 minutes time, see if we can wick up. Hasn't made a top wick, so that 4-hour flip, he called it. Yes, sir. That's looking good. It's looking good now. Oh, we're gonna lose it, GJ. I think we're gonna lose this. It's gonna be gone. It's gonna be gone, boy. The dub got in after news released and created 5-minute support at 280W. Wow, over here. Did you get in on? Ooh, over here, 280. So the news came out actually 7 o'clock, pushed down, and then just came all the way back up. That's quite a good confirmation that, you know, we're coming up over here. So these 5-minute candles just closed over here. Didn't really close above on the 5-minute time frame. So for me, I ain't entering. Hell no. I'll wait 9 minutes. 58 views in the chat though. Shee, that's amazing. Yeah, so GPAUD here hitting the highs over here. That shit just chilling. People have asked me about Fun and Talent, which I'll probably go into in a bit. About kind of their operations, their email they got out. And showing you how kind of that doesn't really change how I used it, so I kind of like don't really care when I used it. I'll go through that maybe in a video, but basically the whole thing is that they said that, you know, we aren't a prop fund, we aren't actually giving you live accounts after, and I kind of knew that. I kind of got that vibe when I was with them, so that's why I just milked their payouts. I was like, I don't give a fuck about your live account because I just think it's gonna be a bit rough. Let me just milk out your payouts every month, and then, you know, that's what I did for 7 months. And then you just whack it in your own account, and then after 7 months you've got a nice, like, you know, 7 grand account, 10 grand account. That's kind of how I used it.
I was gonna say, I feel like a lot of people focus a little bit on like too much about like a live, like getting a live account from them. It's because it's the same thing. As long as you're getting paid out, like, yo, just trade on the account and do what you gotta do.
Yeah, exactly. Well, I worked out the maths, and I was like, if I get this live account, it takes, like, especially in the flex model, it takes ages. And I'm like, I could actually make a lot more money just keeping on the demo and doing that thing. So that's what I did for like a year or 7 months. It was, yeah. Just to gain you some capital if you don't have any. Really does help out. But obviously you need to know how to trade. And if you don't know how to trade, then you're just gonna waste your fucking money, to be honest.
Exactly.
So yeah, gold over here. Don't think we're gonna get the closure this time. 7 minutes time. GBPUSD. Let's have a look at the 4 hour, the hourly. Yeah. So for me, buys are gonna be cleaner, a lot cleaner above this zone. Let's just take a look at German 30. I kind of wanna see this bitch. What's it called again? Is it like G30? I always get the wrong one. Yeah, I think this is it. Nice. Okay. So let's take a look over here. Daily time frame. The last one was bullish over here. We are a bit bearish at the moment, so if we do flip, this could be quite interesting. Let's look at the 4 hour. I know I need to zoom in my charts a bit more. I think you guys said that my screen looks a bit too small, so I'll keep on remembering to do that. So the 4 hour flip over here. Wow, the 4 hours pushed down. Let's look at the hourly. So you can see that we actually are resting on hourly support over here, so which was resistance. So can you see this zone? It's not accurate, but it doesn't have to be accurate really. It's just kind of the zone. You can see here was resistance. Now it is support. So this is a very, very key level. So if this hourly candle closes below, then we should continue down to come to these zones. If you get and start flipping these higher time frames, I mean, buys will be nice above 15.776. Okay, Nathan. Yeah, Nathan was the one who asked me. So let's just go on GG over here. So the reason why I have these candle flips here, so this one here and this one here, is because look, I'm on the 30-minute time frame and I can picture exactly what the 4 hour and the daily look like. Okay, I know the 4 hour strong bullish and I know the daily strong bullish just from looking at the 30-minute. If price comes below this line, I know that the daily is very strong bullish, but the 4 hour is bearish. I just flip bearish. I want these two lines to be kind of with each other for the most part. I want them to be below price. So can you see prices up here? So if price is up here, it means both of these lines are below it, the price, and therefore we are bullish. Can you see? So look at the daily, bullish, 4 hour bullish. It just means I don't have to keep on switching to the higher time frames going, ooh, have we flipped the candle? I know if we pass this line over here, we've flipped a higher time frame candle. So yeah, that's all it is about. I'm just going to start recording because I think this could be a nice opportunity soon. Wow, 67 views, amazing, guys. But yeah, that's why I use the flips. The flips are there so I don't have to keep on looking at the 4 hour. I know exactly where they are. I can paint it in my head. So I hope that makes sense, bro. So yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel here and you've just joined on, make sure to subscribe. We are doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway of magic keys. I think I'm going to give out 3 magic keys, 3 online versions. So if you guys want some magic keys, these bad lads over here, make sure to subscribe. Bro, how do you use different amount of risk per trade as Raj uses very different lot sizes? I keep mine pretty standard. I know he's quite varied on his, but he used to be quite standard. Now I don't think he really gives a shit. But yeah, for me, I keep it standard on GJ, and on gold it's normally half, and that's just what I like keeping. Completely depends on your personal preference. But yeah, that's you know. That's just your preference. You can't ask anyone about that. It's just what you kind of think. I would keep your standard lot size the same for a whole month. You don't change it, you know, weeks or days, because it just skews with your, you know, if one day you've risked double, but you got 5 pips, and one day, you know, you risked double and you just lost 10 pips. You know, it's just gonna screw you up. Just keep with your normal kind of lot sizes for the time being. So 3 minutes time. Looks like gold isn't gonna close above. Ooh, let's see if GJ closes above. I hope it does. I want this hourly to close for sure. 3 minutes time. People who got in early over here, I'd have you stop loss to break even, to be honest. If you guys got in at like this point, I know some of you would. Stop loss to break even for me, because if it does come down over here, kind of rejecting these highs, I wouldn't want to be in that. But yeah, 70 viewers for the London Open. Let's go. Amazing. 70 viewers. I'll give it.
I'm all locked in.
Yes, sir. We're ready. Yeah, so 3 minutes time over here. Let's see if we get this closure. 71 viewers. Let's go. So for me, this is what I'm waiting for. This is what I'm waiting for. Waiting for the low wick and then shoo. And for me, where's my stop loss gonna be? Ooh, 13 pips. Okay. So I'm gonna have to wait for the low wick for sure. Let's go. Let's go. Let me just send Connor. I'll see if Connor wants to join over here. One second.
Yo,
Yeah.
Max. I was gonna say, you know why sometimes I take like the bigger stop losses, so like 15 pips one phase.
Yeah.
Because it's like I manage risk regardless on the trade.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
So at the end of the day, you still don't end up like you're gonna end up closing like and still not losing a whole, unless it just straight flushes straight through your stop.
Yeah, that's facts.
Yeah.
Yeah, I suppose that is true. If you're closing half and stuff, that's true. I just like keeping my stop losses like a good, normally averaging about 7, 8 pips. Because I close half on like the lows or some shit. Yeah, it's just your comfort levels really.
Yeah, exactly. Let's go.
So Tayan, are you in a GJ buy? So for me, we are getting the closure above in a minute's time, hopefully. Don't be stressing with me, GJ. A nice closure above, motherfucker. Then a low wick and then a boom! And then I spike that bitch. Well, 55 likes for London Open. Make sure to like the stream, guys. I think everyone here is subscribed, man. Haven't had any subscribers yet. If you guys haven't subscribed already, what are you doing, bro? You get automatically
some ninja watchers.
Yeah, bro. You get automatically entered into a giveaway. Fuck yeah. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Have I got my subscriber? No, yeah, I do. Okay. Oh shit, I say Tayan. I meant Jayan. Is it Jayan? Hopefully we still bullish London Open now. My stops are break even. Yeah, I'd keep your stop loss at break even. Makes it a lot easier. So we're getting a closure over here.
Let's see.
Oh, don't piss me off, GJ. You cunt. GJ! No! Oh god.
Gotta wait another 30 minutes.
Oh, look at this. It's gonna run like a bitch. Thank you very much, Derek, for subscribing. Oh, if we push over here with no bottom wick, holy shit. Thank you, Cadbury, for subscribing. Sheesh, we've got 2 subscribers over here. So for me, there is no bottom wick on the 30-minute, no bottom wick on the hourly. So hell no for trades, hell no. Thank you very much, guys, for subscribing. Ian, thank you for subscribing. Oh, ho, ho, ho.
Morning, people.
Morning, Connor. How you doing, bro? Did you get into these buys, bro?
I did. I've literally just heard my magic keys go off to secure 10.
Did you get in here?
1 second, just let me open this Zoom. Yeah, I did exactly that.
Yeah, I knew you would.
Once it flipped bullish, I was waiting for that flip. Once I got that flip, I was in.
Yeah, I knew you would get into there. To be fair, I was very tempted because, like, bro, it's making support over here. But I was waiting for this closure. But yeah, now, I mean, people who are in this trade, I mean, fair enough. I would take some profits off here for sure. But yeah, the hourly didn't have a low wick, so basically what I'm saying with this low wick thing is that this hourly candle, you are basically saying now, if you just got into here for a buy or for some randomly impulsive, you're saying that in the next 58 minutes we will not come back and make this low wick. And we know, probability wise, if you look at all of the candles over here, 85% of candles have a top wick and a bottom wick. So there's 85% chance we're going to come back down over here. Okay. So for me, that's why there's no move at that point. Let's have a look at gold. Is gold? Ooh, gold did not close above. That's completely fine. GBPUSD over here. Ooh. Okay. Pretty solid. So yeah, I'm gonna have to wait a bit longer for GG over here. I need to for sure make the lower wick, and then maybe the next 15 close above. We'll have to see. But this could just run off nicely, and if people in this trade, make sure to take some profits for sure. But I did say there, down at this flip here was a nice entry, yeah, for sure. So Connor, when this candle over here came up over here, did you have your stop loss to break even at London Open?
I didn't, to be fair. No, I was gonna manage my risk. So like, if it had come back to entry point, I'd have closed half. If it had broke lows again, closed another half, and then stops would still have been below the previous low, which was like the hourly low.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. If you're doing it on the hourly play, that's pretty fair.
Yeah,
Nice.
I mean, I was looking at the hourly, and because the candle, it was very weak bullish, but I did think that once that sort of flipped, I thought, yeah, we could potentially continue up to fill this wick.
Yeah. Lovely. We'll have to wait a bit longer here for our trade. And then to potentially, let's look at the 30-minute over here. Yeah, I mean, closures above 580 would be nice for some buys again. So we'll have to see over here. No rush. There's also a bit of a 30-minute range, strong hour resistance to the left. Yeah, it's coming up over here. It's just this hourly didn't have a bottom wick, so for me, I can't get into this trade at this point. But that's just discipline. I mean, that's just complete discipline. People can get into these trades if they want to, especially if they got in a bit lower and then just had your stop loss to break even. This is just amazing. Just take your pips, but you know deep down that this hourly candle is gonna likely make a low wick here. So if people are trying to hold this on, be greedy, I'd advise just taking it off. So yeah, wow, we've got a lot of people in Zoom now. Sheesh, we've actually got a squad. Let's go. Can you do a paper trade on GBPUSD? Yeah, so I kind of broke down GBPUSD. I kind of want, so now you can see to the left over here, we've just tapped this resistance. Now what I'm expecting in the next, couple hours, I'm kind of wanting price to relax a bit because, we moved up 50 pips over here. Kind of want, some candles to show that we're kind of rejecting a little bit, and then come down. And this is like a nice setup, okay? This is like a nice setup that I like. And then candle starts coming up and then closing like this. And you could either enter in this range or wait for a close above and then enter on the flip right here. So yeah, for me, I'm waiting for this kind of setup later on. So it's kind of just, I'm already painting what I want in NY. So that's how I'm paper trading. Obviously here, this is not my time to trade, so I can't take any trades. But never get a FOMO and stuff like that. When I was younger, I used to get so annoyed, like, oh fuck, look at this Asian. I should stay it for Asian. It's like, well, no, Asian barely does this. Never. Oh shit, fucking that's bright screen.
Check out GJ, bro.
Oh fuck, holy shit. Holy shit. That shit flying. Okay, so in 10 minutes time, I see if we can get a closure above. I mean, for me though, the hourly doesn't have a bottom wick, so I can't enter. For me, I just can't. I can't do it. 54 minutes. This 54 minutes, like, bro, that's not for me. 10 pips on GJ, stop loss to break even. Amazing, guys, amazing. So yeah, exactly, just hitting the zone over here. If you guys are in trades, make sure to take some profits off. You're coming to zones over here, have a little runner on just for later, and so you don't get any FOMO if you start running higher and higher. But at this point, definitely take some of your money off for sure. Take that money. GJ lovely, but going to wait for buys above resistance, it's way easier. Yeah, very, very true. So if we do get some buys above this zone over here, oh, look how high we are. Okay. So I can see, yeah, So if I'm looking here, this is resistance. We kind of have resistance at this zone as well, 640. But this candle pushed up quite nicely anyway. So it's kind of, yeah, buys above here are going to be clean candles to the left, and these zones will be coming back up to these highs. So let me just mark out this next kind of zone over here. This will be the next resistance zone. So that's at 700. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's not that big of a zone. But if you do start breaking up with volume, then we will come back up to these highs. So this is the next zone to zone over here. So yeah, we'll have to wait. But this hourly with no bottom wick is just no go for me. No go. But amazing for people who took that trade. So we broke that down pretty nicely on the London Open. So let's just do this. Trades called. So we got some nice GJ buys. People ate nicely there. Holy shit. So who got that trade there? So do you guys show me how you guys got in? Send me some charts on Discord and show me how you got into this trade over here. GU bullish bias. Okay. If you get the closure above 1.38500, yeah, okay, kind of see that. The only issue I have with this is that we do have resistance right here, so maybe a bit higher up, maybe like here, or potentially for me, if you look on my chart, mine's actually here to get rid of all of this traffic. The reason why I picked this zone is because look, now we've got clean candles here, clean candles here. We're getting rid of this resistance bullshit. If we do start exceeding here, we're going to be having clean candles all the way up to the top again. So that's what I'll be looking for. If the candle comes down and makes a low wick, would you enter there? To be honest, what I would do is if we did make a lower wick and then start pushing up, I'd probably wait for where the 50-minute closed. If the 50-minute kind of closed, made the bottom wick and then closed back above, then I probably would enter again. Yeah. Couldn't take it, no bottom wick. I've learned my lesson before. Well done, Kelsey. It's amazing. That's what you should be thinking. Yeah. There'll be that one time where you're like, oh, I just got slapped because no bottom wick, and no, and then you'll never have to do it again. It's great. 1522665. Yeah, that'll be the next zone. For me, yeah, I need to wait for this hourly. Look at the 15 as well. But definitely at these zones over here, I mean, you could tell already this structure I liked. I was already very, very tempted to get into a trade over here, making support. Wait for this low wick to exceed, stop loss to break even at this point, and then to continue. Damn. No bottom wick, but you can expect little volume. Huh?
What you think about gold? About to come up and potentially close in the 15-minute time frame.
Yeah, so 5 minutes time. I mean, if you do get the closure, there is nice clean wicks to here. So Tom says no bottom wick, but you can expect London volume coming in. Yeah, I mean, you can expect it. I knew it was going to come. It's just for your own rules. It's for your own discipline's sake. That's the only thing. Hit my final TP at 5.8. Well done, well done. Congrats. If you guys take those trades, well done. Wow, Min could have made 25 pips on that 4-hour flip. Oh yeah. Look, 5 minutes time though, if we get this closure over here, it's going to be looking pretty tasty. Look at this hourly. Ooh, the hourly closed bearish though. What the fuck? 4 hours pretty bullish though. We haven't exceeded the high. Yeah, we'll have to wait until we get a closure over here. GPAUD. Oh, it's doing exactly what I said. Yes. So, should be relaxing over here, chilling for the next coming hours, and then we should start running off again. Ooh, look at GBPUSD over here. Starting to come up. If we get a closure in 4 minutes time, it's going to come back up to these highs over here. So GBP pairs are actually starting to get some nice volume over here, starting to get some nice bullish movements. You can see GJ on the daily time frame now. Look at this, starting to run nicely with that closure above over here. Woo! So now, if we did do this trade before, 26 pips, 46. Yeah, so now it's a 20 pip trade now. That's pretty fire. Let's look at the weekly over here. So weekly's coming up to the high of the previous, which is interesting. We'll see if you can break that. Yeah, we'll see also if we can make this lower wick at this time. And damn, I cut at 15 pips as I see no bottom wick on the new hourly. Now the FOMO kicks in so hard. No, bro. No, you shouldn't have. You shouldn't have. That's not the way to think about it. I'm telling you. It shouldn't be. I shouldn't have done this. I shouldn't have done that. You did exactly what you wanted to do. You weren't comfortable with the trade because the new hourly didn't make a bottom wick, and then you take your profits. You know, the amount of times that this won't happen. You know, this happens very rarely. It's once in 2 weeks. Okay. You need to be able to take these positions and forget about them. Just go, you know what? I was completely right, because the amount of times where you would be right and you actually closed and you made some money, whereas this one maybe wick up and then start launching down with a bottom wick. You need to be able to take that, because that will affect your FOMO, and then the next time this happens, you'll lose all your money. It's like, oh, fuck's sake. So you've got your strategy over here. You need to just keep on implementing it and don't worry about it. Ooh, look at gold shrinking back in again. Yeah, gold won't get this closure, I don't think, in 2 minutes time. GPAUD still chilling about. And yeah, gold, GG over here, flying. I got into a buy in the previous 1 hour flip at 152.330, trusting volume to give me 20 pips, ended up with 30. Wow, did you close? Yeah. Nice. So yeah, if I was going back now, I probably would be happy to enter here. But the reason why I'd be happy to enter, I think, is because of this stop. Oh, it's a 13 pip stop though. Maybe on this low over here, probably like here, I'd put 7 pip stop, expecting volume to then flip, continue, and then at this point over here, I'd have my stop loss here. And then at this point here, I'd have my stop loss to break even and expect the volume to push it up. But yeah, I'd have my stop loss to break even at 8 o'clock for sure. Because I've seen the amount of times we touch resistances and then fucking launch down is huge. So that would be like a little trade. It kind of depends. Like, you can get in earlier for London Opens and stuff if you say to yourself at this point over here, and at London Open, my stop loss is at break even. Then you're just fine. You can ride the amount of volume, and then you're safe because you got a break even trade. So that's what I'm going to try and implement a bit more for me. I want to try and get in a bit earlier, but then have my stop loss break even here. Then I get all of the wins, and if not, I just get a break even. Because I knew that candle here was going to push up to these highs. I could just tell. The hourly was flipping. The hourly was strong bullish, and we started pushing after this 15-minute made the low wick of the 30. But amazing. Holding a small runner, nice. So small runner targets. I mean, yeah, it depends where you kind of want to hold it over here. You could theoretically hold it all the way to these highs, 153.200. That'd be quite interesting, especially because we've broken out this range. I mean, it could fly all the way back up to these resistances. Yeah, that'd be pretty interesting, just like these candles did over here. Delicious, delicious. But you can see here, look, starting to hold on. I could put on money. I could put on, well, 85%. It's a good win rate. We're gonna make this low wick at some point in this hourly. We'll see. If you guys have any questions about anything, make sure to ask them in the YouTube question thing. And if you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe. As I said before, 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Oh, my nose is so itchy today. What the fuck? It's always itchy. So NY, exactly what I'll be expecting. I won't be closed above 152.580 probably. Yeah, above this 30-minute. That'll look pretty nice. And let's see gold over here. I kind of want gold to get out of this little shitty range it's been in as well. Look at the 4 hour. Look at this. Oh. Yeah, so sells below 1785 is going to be pretty good. Hello, bro. Take my name. Please take my name. What do you mean? Take your name. What do you mean? Take your name, boy. I kind of wanna play some music. Let me just play one song. I know I'll get copyrighted, but I don't really care. Where's my Spotify? I've been listening to Drake's juice song. 1 second. Actually, no, I want to play Ski. I quite like Ski. After people got that dub, you can vibe after. She. Yeah. 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 Also, look at my top over here. Look at this fucking top. Anyone want to argue with me? Anyone want to argue with me? Hell no. Hell no. Look at this top. I get these badass bitch right around this bitch name on the coldest. Ronaldo is the GOAT. I'm telling you. I told her stand my knees. Still no lower wig, bitch. So she can tack to the lid. So she can tack to the lid. Come on, GJ, you can do it. Amazing, you got it, bro. Me catch that you woozy. 20 watches and I'm still snoozing. Bro, which editing software are you using? Editing software for me has been a bit of a pain in the ass, to be honest. Before I was using iMovie and it actually worked quite well. iMovie, I have my iPad Pro and that shit fucking renders like a motherfucker. And then I got some like one on my PC. It's called like DaVinci. It's free and it only renders like 30 frames and it makes my quality look ass. So I think I'm gonna get the monthly subscription for Premiere Pro. I think. You ask too much now from GG. So yeah. Yeah. There will be a match today with Young Boys. Will you watch Young Boys? Gun. What about Gun? Scotty, I got him out one. Need somebody grow me a tree. Also, guys, if you're new to the stream, make sure to check out IC Markets if your spreads are fucking shit. They're pretty fire. Took risky buys before London Open and once previous 30-minute close below resistance, I closed positions at -2 pips. If you weren't buyers and kind of close below, what you should do? Itachi, can you send me a chart of where this was? Let me try and see where it would be. So took risky buys before London Open and once previous 30-minute close below. I don't know where this is. Let me just throw it back again. I feel no risk this week to warn my family and not be cheap. I think gold is the next trade if it closes above that resistance. Yeah. Yeah. Are you still waiting for this, Antonio? Antonio. Yeah. Yeah, I think if we do get closures above over here, ooh, it's gonna be pretty good. Do you draw your zones based on 30-minute? Yeah, most likely. Most of the time is 30-minute. Yeah, 30 minutes. Sometimes 50 minutes if I'm being really precise and stuff. If it closes above, that's the daily flip. Yes, sir. It sure is. Good analysis. Good analysis. Let me put some heads around this bitch. I like. I tell you what. I listened to that new album from Kanye. That shit, fucking shit. It's so bad. I like this song on Drake's. This one. It's just a vibe. It's like, yeah. 9 minutes time to get this closure. Holy shit. Okay, so let me just get this. We're vibing on a Tuesday. Shit. So let me just move this IC Markets. Let's see this chart over here. Okay, we're gonna get a closure in 9 minutes time. Let's go. Look at that rejection, yeah, bro. I'm saying, that's what I'm saying. Mate, anyone listen to this song? This song is a fucking vibe. I'm gonna get copyrighted as shit today. Look at this. If we make this low wick, holy shit! I told you, boy. I told you. Hell no. Look at that 5-minute. Oh, this is gonna be the clip of the day, though. Making this low wick. Holy shit. I'm a proper like funk soul dancer, bro. Oh yeah. So 8 minutes time, yeah, we're gonna have to wait over here. That'd be the 30-minute close, that'd be good. Got a lot of time, don't worry. Yeah, so look, this is the daily flip. Oh, hello. So yeah, let's just wait until we get this closure. No, don't run off. So I said, this candle said, wait, I forgot to make the low wick. Let me go make it real quick. I'm telling you. Oh, it still hasn't made it yet. Fuck. I just don't want. Make sure to like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. Let's get them likes up. Let's hit 80 likes today. 6 minutes, get that bitch down. Too much. Also, guys, when you guys like take trades and shit or on stream, make sure like film it and stuff and put it on Instagram. I'll put it on my story and shit. Make sure to do that. Like tag me in like, I don't know, your trades and like just me on stream and shit. I like that. That'd be fire. Make sure you do that. Make this bottom wick, please. Make it, bitch. Come on. You know you want to make it. So this is what I'm saying. Even though you know you got your trade out of here, the discipline and stuff, I know we're gonna be making a bottom wick, and we're gonna make it, boy. Make that bitch. Goddamn. I fucking love. Anyone like Marvin Gaye? Oh, mate. Oh yeah, you guys mentioned me in the stories already. Sheesh. Oh my love, 1,000 misses from you and me. Kind of boys, and I just. So 35 minutes. Do you think we're gonna be making a low wick? Take a look, bro, on the chart. Okay. Look at this. We made the low wick. Yay! I told you, I'm always right. Let's take a look over here. Oh my God. Wait, take a look, bro, on the chart. What do you mean, this one? Now we made a lower wick. That is some deep projection, though, here. Holy shit. Oh, 5 minutes. Let's go. Oh my love. So as long as you make a nice little wick over here. Oh, don't GJ. Don't be so silly. Not GJ Gold. I'm getting copyrighted now. So, but that was a nice vibe. I like them songs. I just don't wanna. Now I have to go back to this piece of shit, bro. If anyone can help me with this copyrighted stuff, I just want to play music, bro. I just want to vibe. I'm sick of this fucking lo-fi. It's so boring. What mean that? Wow, 50 viewers, man. So over here, GJ has finally made the lower wick, which is pretty good. But that rejection over here kind of puts me off. Charts for stream. I have, look. Oh, here. Okie dokie. Yeah, you got on the entry that I was looking for. Beautiful. Stop loss was below, so you got a 14 pip stop. That's quite beefy. For me, I would have actually had it on the current candle low. But pushing off here, I mean, amazing. Very, very easy. Support and resistance. Use channel no vlog copyright. They have some good music. Let's take a look over here. What's it called? No vlog copyright. Thing is, though, they need to be more than like fucking 2 minutes long. That's the issue. Aesthetic music. I'll try this one. Oh my love. Let's try this ballad. Okay, I'll check your charts in a second. I just need to look for this gold as well. So on gold, how would you execute that buy since it looks like a big top wick? I'll do it on the flip and I'll wait for the lower wick to form. But if this doesn't close above here in 3 minutes time, I ain't entering. Hell no. Let's take a look at some charts over here. There's a chart, right? So Itachi has sent the chart. Amazing. I think I asked you to send the chart, didn't I? Let's have a look over here. I just don't wanna stop. Took buy here and the candle open. Okay, I want this candle to close above resistance, so close. So once it fail and close below, I closed position. Okay. So once I took buys here, this candle's still open. Oh, like you took buys impulsively, and then you closed positions as it didn't close above. Okay, that's fine. And then my second entry is after we break the high previous, but no bottom wick, so no entry. Yeah, I mean, so the second bit there, completely reasonable. You shouldn't have entered because there's no top wick, no bottom wick. That's fine. The first thing is that you entered on the impulse of breaking the highs just before 8 o'clock. Okay, you know at 8 o'clock the hourly is closing, so the hourly is gonna possibly make a bottom wick. Obviously it has now, but it did before. You haven't got the closure above yet, so impulses are very, very risky. You can see impulses. I'll try and find some ways. Oh yeah, look over here. If you did impulses yesterday, you would have been tapped out here, 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 here. So impulses are not like, they're so inconsistent. They're very, very low probability. So waiting for the candle closure would have been a lot better, because you wouldn't have just taken that little draw down here because you didn't close above. Wait for the candle to close above and then enter. And yeah, so I wouldn't have taken the buys and the impulse. Just wait until the closure. There's no point. Literally it takes, what, how long would you have been on that candle? Probably like another like 10 minutes. Just wait for 10 minutes to get the closure, and then you can finally get the buys. Obviously normally we'd wait for the lower wick and then go, and then we would have been balls deep in that. But obviously some days you just can't do it, and that's fine. But yeah, I just think impulsive entries for stuff like this, you're just gonna get slapped eventually, especially through winter months. I'm trying to teach you the perfect discipline for all year round. You can do it all year round. Some months are really good for impulsive like this, but some months are going to be shocking for this. I'm telling you, the amount of big pull downs you get and then they flip. So that's why I'm trying to teach you a strategy where you can use in all months. GJ going bullish again.
Gold, my boy.
Oh shit. Get the closure, bitch. Oh my god, I swear to god. Needs to close above this line for me to even care about it. Oh, look at that. Look at that 5 minute, bro. Oh, snap. So, no gold trade for me today at this zone. So, someone's saying GJ buys again. I mean, we finally got the closure above I kind of want. Let's look at the 15 minute over here. But now we got a 15 minute bearish. The 15. Yeah, I mean, the 15 minute didn't close back in this range, which I quite like. But now, I mean, the zones are just too small for me, so I'm gonna be waiting probably a lot longer. Yeah, I look here, it's like 8.5 pips. But look at that 5 minute though. The 5 minute the 5 minute there is doing what the 30 minute did down here, really close and making support. But yeah, for me, I mean, I'm just gonna wait a bit longer for GJ at this point. No rush. So gold couldn't get the close above. Wow, look at that rejection over here. Look at this GBPUSD is doing exactly what I said. Let me just take that recording off because that's going to be the recording for the lower wick today, which is pretty fire. So it's continuing back to these highs now, I think, which is good. The 50-minute, obviously, I couldn't really enter here because the 50 was bearish. So for me, it could still reject and then start coming down. The move was here. The only issue is the move didn't have a bottom wick, and that's just fine. I take that with a pinch of salt. I don't care in the slightest. When I was younger, though, and a bit less disciplined and stuff, I would have been so pissed off I missed that move. I'd be like, oh, why not just buy it? I'm like, but, you know, over time, and as you see, you know, sometimes these moves ain't gonna work, especially with the coming months. I can't wait for you guys to see you guys on November taking these trades, because they're gonna be, oh, the amount of times, like, especially in the later months, where I see, you know, price run off exactly like this, just with this in the first second, and then it goes like this, and then it goes like this, flip straight away and goes shoo. I'm telling you, like this. So yeah, GA rejection, yes sir. So GA is rejecting those highs over here, like I said. So now you're gonna have to just wait for some support to form later on, but it'll probably happen where the next support was. So let's have a look over here. Yeah, back down to these zones over here. But if you take any sells in here, that'll be very, very silly as well, because look at what you're going on. You're going on such high time frame bullish. It's trying to get a cheap move, but these moves in the long run won't pay your bills. I'm telling you, they don't work a lot. It's looking about the strategies. I'm actually going to do a YouTube video about, you know, different kind of setups and which ones I'm looking for the most and stuff like that. But yeah, GJ over here, I mean, that move fire, especially on like the 30-minute over here. Sheesh, pretty decent. Beautiful. What about a salary play on GJ? Yeah, the issue with the salary play over here is because if you get a salary play which is exceeding the high of the previous, we're also just tapping resistance over here. So you're expecting price to run out of this zone? I don't think so. I think we need to be waiting a bit longer over here. GBPUSD, it has got, oh, it's just closed above. I mean, nice. So people who trade GBP, oh, I got 50-minute bearish, which is a bit annoying. But if this was kind of like closing a bit bullish as well, ooh, it'd be a nice flip. Wow, guys, 65 likes on a Tuesday, guys, amazing. Smash that like button if you haven't already, and you're watching and you're vibing. And also, if you're in the Discord, make sure to send charts. Oh, we got some nice charts over here. So this is a beautiful. Let me do a nice. So GJ also entered at 380. Amazing. So everyone's went in at 380. It looks bloody gorgeous. Really fire. Closed half as candle. Okay, so look at this. Had a bullish bias today. Lovely. Candle was able to close back in the range. Entered on the flip of the candle and stops current candle low. Current candle low. Nice. So that's exactly where I would have put it. Closed full at 10 pips. So you closed half. Oh wait. Closed half as candle didn't close above the resistance and next candle shot up without a bottom wick. Yeah, that's good. That's really grand. So just closing half, you know, taking some profits as you can, because some of your analysis is different to what you expect. You expected this candle to here, this candle to close above like this, and it didn't. So closing half and taking some off is really good idea. When did you put your stop loss to break even? Was it just here as well? I'm assuming it was. When you closed half, you put your stop loss to break even. And the rest secured at 10 pips. Amazing. Really good. So that's solid there for waiting for closes above. I mean, what you could have done there is also just had your stop loss to break even, but you wanted to close some, you wanted to get some profits. And most of the time, you know, this would make a bottom wick and could tap you out. So, congrats. Really solid risk management there. I like that. Just marked up my chart for my journal, though you already know how I entered. Yeah, let's take a look over here. Yeah, the trading journal, let's get them in. Ooh, wow, pushing up over here. Let's take a look at this chart over here. Ah, fuck off. My screen's so bright, it like blinds me. Yep, so let's have a look at your previous day. Broke out of range, looking for 1 hour, 4 hour support. Yep, we get this here. So created a high during Asian, broke down Asian low, rejected 1 hour, 4 hour retest. Very risky. GBP news somewhat positive. Okay, so rejects the highs, entered on 5 minute support on the retest 300. Okay, so you got in very, very low here. Nice. And then TP1 at the top of the range, TP2, TP3. Yeah, those are really, really good. So daily resistance, and then the Asian high for the first TP1, and then TP2 in the next zone. Amazing. Really, really good chart. Yeah, whack that in your trading journal. That'd be delicious. Ooh, can you see this hourly close below? I mean, the 30 minute has just made support over here. But the hourly candle has closed. See, the 30 minute kind of hasn't closed below if you look over here. So for me, maybe wait 50 more minutes to get a closure below. This should be paper trading German 30 over here. The hourly's got 22 minutes left. We should continue down and fill up this zone over here. Big zones. GJ on the move again. GJ being naughty. You naughty. Wow, GJ flying. So salary play coming into fruition over here. Let's see where we go. We've got 50 minutes resistance at the zone. We'll probably chill up here for a bit. I'm assuming we will chill in this zone. GBPUSD 50-minute candle current is just forming a bottom wick and flipped the previous candle entry, but why didn't it come back down? Yeah, I spoke about this. We were making the bottom wick and flipped. What do you mean, why didn't it come back down? We got to close above zone. This is good. This is what I literally talked about this morning. I said if we get a closure above here and above here, we are going to be nice some GU buys and made a bottom wick, and then we're good. 15 minutes is a bit chalked, but I think 15 minutes is always a bit shit on GBPUSD. Max, where can I find your Discord link? It's on my, I'm pretty sure it's in here, on my YouTube, it's on my Instagram. They're everywhere. Like my Instagram bio, so if you go here, 1 second. Linktree. Discord server, there you go. So, yes sir. No bother. So yeah, we are looking at GBPUSD over here. We got the closure. I mean, doing it on the 30-minute time frame. Let's see where his stops would be if we got in it on the flip over here. 12 pip stop, and we are continuing up our bullish ascent. We are coming back over here. So if you got into this trade, yeah, I'd probably be taking some partials off now at 10 pips. Right, this zone. I got in GG but close 50% when it retraced halfway on me. That's good. That's good. You guys are really, really solid. That I don't get. Try not to say it in a negative way. You've done amazing. You saw that low wick not form me like shit. I need to get out now, and then you took 50% off. That's amazing. That's what I would have done. Ooh, holy shit! Look at gold. See, this is why candle closing above. Hell, no. I was waiting for that, and we didn't get it. Now we're dropping like a motherfucker. Damn. So GPAUD over here still with some bullish momentum. Steven, I done the same, mate. Entered the price retrace where I closed 50%, rest flew to 10 pips. Yeah, that's great. That's great analysis over here. 66 likes, guys. Amazing. Make sure to bash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed already, we are going to be close to the 1,000 subscribers. That's going to be pretty solid. Yeah, came up back to these highs again. I mean, solid. 30-minute over here looks delicious, to be honest. Like right here. Oof. Look at that. Gorgeous. But yeah, definitely with the support. I like this. So this wick over here, rejection wick. Oh my god. Flying. Because we used past resistance as support. So it was very, very good way. And at that time I would have had 6 pips. So yeah, trying to get in a bit early for here and then had stop loss or break even would have been a good entry. But for me, I was waiting for these hourly lower wick, which we finally got, which took ages. That's mad though, how this candle, he said that before. He was like, wait, give me a sec, I should go make this lower wick and then run off again. Let me go blast this bitch up. But yeah, as you see, 4 hour, I mean, in an hour's time, if we get a closure above the hourly, resistance, which is here, it's going to be looking pretty damn decent for continued buys. Yeah, looking pretty solid over here. Ooh, look at this. 3 minutes time if you get this closure over here. I'm just going to try and paper trade this. So, clean candles, I mean, fuck, okay. It's like a 40 pip gain for a 1,000. Yeah, it's not too bad. Not 1,000, 100 pip gain. I'd wait for the top wick to be formed first. Look at the 30. Ooh, that's looking nice. See where this 50-minute candle closes over here. Up 1% for the day. I think I might sit out until NY session. Exactly, I think you should. If you've only made 1%, very, very good. Man, GA looks so nice for a continued bullish clean range to the left. Yeah, I think, but obviously we're coming towards the end of 8 o'clock. I mean, it's just how much volume does it have to keep on going, you know? 17 minutes left. Yeah, with this candle over here, if we do get the closure above, I mean, people who like GPAUD over here, whoo, it's a little rocket. Oh shit! Look at gold flipping, 4 hour. Look at the hourly; it's on hourly support over here. I mean, that's pretty mad. I mean, if we do get a close below, because we flipped the 4 hour, flipped the daily. Oh, are you seeing this, Antonio?
Yes, sir.
Back down to these lows over here, 50 pips away. Oof. So, oh snap. Okay. So all time frames are bearish right now. We're flipping the 4 hour. It's made its top wick. It's rejected these highs again. This is looking pretty good. If we get a closure over here in a minute's time and have a nice top wick up, this could be good. If not, I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute, I think. Holy shit. That's when like GJ lag, when gold like lags a bit and goes like boom. I'm like, holy shit. We're going to fly, boy. So the reason why I like it is because you've kind of got clean candles back down to these lower areas over here. I mean, a bit risky here, but not risky, a bit rough here. But with volume, I mean, rejecting these highs could be good. I'm gonna stay away from gold being in a nasty range. Yeah, I just like how these 4 hours are printing. We're rejecting these highs again and again. Look at the daily as well. Yeah, the daily's a bit chalked. Yeah. Let's see over here. I'll wait for this closure. So this closure is coming in 23 seconds time. Close on support, then I have to wait for the 30-minute. 68 likes, guys. If you guys haven't liked yet, make sure to like the stream. We get to 70 likes. That'll help me out dramatically because it helps me gain a new audience on YouTube. So it means I can do more, I can make it more hot, like I can, you know, get a better mic, I can, you know, do all that kind of stuff if we keep on growing. So we didn't get a closure on the 15, so I'm gonna wait a bit more for the 30 for me. But yeah, I liking these clean candles here. And that rejection here, so look at the hourly. Oh! So hourly's finishing in 40 minutes time, so that'll give you a bit more kind of confirmation when this closes. GPAUD closed above. Holy shit. I mean, salary play on the 30-minute. Look at the hourly. Oh, shit. Look at this hourly. Fuck. So if you get in. So if I wanted to get in, right? Stop loss will be below the previous. Not the previous, the current 30. This is the current hour low as well. Ooh, that'll be pretty tasty. So let's see if this plays out. My target is this zone over here. This is me paper trading, by the way. I don't trade GPAUD, so don't copy me. I'm just paper trading it. So my stop loss would be. Oh fuck. Okay. shit. 25 pips. Look at the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, so it only have to be 25. We'll see. Let's look at the 30-minute. Yeah, I still think exceeding the highs, it should be good now. We'll see. 26 pips. So I'd probably use half a risk on this if I was actually in this trade. See if this play out. So, you know, paper trading is where you you take a trade and when you're learning a new pair to see if you can trade it properly. And it uses correct price action and stuff that you have been using on other pairs. This is looking tasty. Oh shit. To be honest with you, 30-minute time frame. I mean, if you do get the closure above over here, what are you thinking, Antonio and is Connor here?
Yeah, I'm looking at 152.582 closure above that on the 30-minute. I'm open to taking trades.
Yeah.
I think that's clean.
Yeah, I think that is clean. The only issue is this little thing that I've got here. So let's just check.
I think by that time I'll be at break even for sure. 'Cause it's like
Yeah.
5 pips away.
So it's these little wicks, but we are coming back into this zone over here. And the first target would be around about here, because this is the zone, so I'm looking at this little zone. And then obviously runners can run to these highs over here, which are 50 pips away. Yeah, we'll see. I'll see on the 30-minute. Man, GA looks so nice for a continued bullish clean range to the left. Yes, sir. This has got 50 minutes, got 12 minutes left. I mean, if this candle does make the low wick and starts exceeding, oof. Thing is, the hourly's got, yeah. So it's better to wait for the hourly over here. It's got 11 minutes left. Wait for the hourly close, see where it closes, and you need to wait for the hourly low, and then hopefully we can run that bitch up. Hey Max, what website do you use for journaling? I use Trello. Someone has gone on my Trello and fucking changed the background. And I keep on looking at it because it used to be. I'm trying to change it back again, but I forgot how you fucking do that. How the hell do you change it? Yeah, but I looked at the back here. I was like, is this fucking Yoda's like world, like on Star Wars? Like it looks a bit like Yoda-esque, like where he's vibing in his little hut. But someone fucking changed it because it was like a Wall Street one before. I'm just. But yeah, it's called Trello. It's free, and that's kind of how I did my things. I did it for a while, but it takes a lot of time. And now because I'm like editing videos on Instagram and then doing mentorship and stuff, I just can't. I don't have time to do it. But yeah, for people starting off and stuff, really solid. I really want to know how to fucking change the thing though. I don't know where it is. Ah, select boards. I don't even know what I was doing. Holy shit. But yeah, this is what you do, and obviously, so my red trades are here with the minuses, my positives with the blue trade, the green trades, and then yellows will break even. And yeah, that's what it kind of did, and just kind of showed exactly what I liked, what I didn't like. You know, this candle here, I got into an impulse look. Clear range. This is a really good example of why I don't take impulses. Coming down into the range. Let's just get rid of this. Okay, here. A second bearish candle has closed, and I'm expecting this level to be broken with volume. Okay, so I'm expecting to, because it's near London Open, I take an impulse on the low, and then I get slapped in the ass. So this is one example of don't fucking take an impulse. Can you give a link for this? Yeah, I think it's here. All of my links are in here. There we go. Trello trade analysis. There you go. It's all there. If you guys are new here and you've actually followed me on YouTube, make sure you go follow me on Instagram as well. So let's just see where this paper trade was going. Ooh, rejected. Have to see over here. Ooh, okay, it's 15-minute closure. Damn. 9 minutes left. Let's take a look at GJ. Yeah, GJ's gonna get this closure. It's gonna be good. If GJ breaks 152.636, that break previous really high, even higher chance of buying, playing out correct. Yep. Yep. It's looking good. It's looking good. 8 minutes time for gold to close below as well. Some good opportunities coming up for sure. Oh, let's get this tally row. So it's going to be my second day for doing exercise, which I haven't been doing in the past like 7 months. So that's going to be interesting. I was aching yesterday. Holy shit! Well, look at this. Came out to the T. GBPUSD we broke down. I said if we get closure above this zone, we'll be coming up to these highs over here. So trade's called. If you guys listened and trade GU, you should have been in that bitch. Right about here. So the thing is, it looks like it's gone loads, but actually it's only gone like 15 pips. But still, to the next zone. That's what I expect. That's what I expected. Oh, GJ, you need to calm down, bro. On this flip over here. Ooh. Yeah, let's wait for this hourly closure. Look at this hourly. 4 hourlies. We've got an hour left. Nice. Yeah, we'll wait for this closure over here. 7 minutes time. And then gold, I'm wanting for closes below the zone over here. So 1790, I think, to then come down to our proper target of 1785. Where is your Lambo, sir? The Lambo is downstairs, sir. Gym of 30 over here. Let's see if it's flipped. Ooh, look at this. So 30 minute hasn't closed yet. 6 minutes time. If it closes back in the range, damn. Kyle Venter has subscribed to your channel. Why have I not got a notification for that? That's annoying. Thank you for subscribing. We are looking very, very good. 47 viewers, amazing guys. 70 likes. If you guys haven't liked the stream or subscribed, what are you doing, man? 6 minutes time for this hourly to close over here. Oh my god, GJ. People got in runners over here and still holding runners. Yeah, you still be in them if you got in on this wick over here.
Yeah, I've got partial TP2 at 152.700 for 30 pips.
Lovely.
Pips off now, so.
That's not bad, bro.
Come on, bro.
Jeez. Not bad at all. 5 minutes time. Lovely. Yeah, thank you, Kyle, for subscribing. Lovely stuff. So yeah, 5 minutes time over here. This hourly is going to be closing. This is going to be delicious for continued, to be honest. 71 likes. Let's get it. Let's go. Oh, lovely stuff, guys. Really, really solid trades today. I mean, we've been smashing it, to be honest. Just beautiful. So how do people find me if you guys are new here, like Kyle and I think someone else just subscribed? How do you guys find me? Was it just on recommended or just randomly? Just typed in like FOREX trading or some shit. So yeah, this little ledge over here is pissing me off a bit more. Let me just see over here. To be honest, it's kind of just on support. Isn't really that bad. Just want to keep it on though. To be honest, this is kind of the zone, and we're actually closed back in, so we should theoretically fill up this range. If you look over here, yeah. So let's just get rid of that. I'm getting rid of that. Skewed my vision. Can you explain why you're not in GJ buys? Yeah, so before we were looking for GJ buys for closes above here. We didn't get the closure, but that was fine. I was still going to enter it because of the London Open. And then this candle right here, this one here, pushed up with no bottom wick. There was no bottom wick at the time, and now that you can see there is a bottom wick. And we know 85% of the time. Thank you, Sanji, for subscribing. We know 85% of the time we're going to be making a bottom wick, and as you can see, we did eventually make the bottom wick. So you can see, you know, that's just my discipline rules. This ran off straight away with no bottom wick right here. For me, I know 85% of the time we're going to make a bottom wick. You know, obviously it ran nicely at the start, but I don't know when it's going to reject. It could reject here, could reject here, could reject here. So that's why I didn't enter this trade, and that's why I'm waiting for a bit higher. which is above here, which is looking good. Look at the hourly. It's looking pretty nice over here. Let's just get this up for GJ now. Okay, it's looking good, it's looking good. So, where's my stop speed and all that good stuff? Yeah, so 3 minutes time, you're gonna get a closure here. 74 likes. Let's get it, boys. Clean traffic on the 4 hours straight to 153. Yes, 40 pips away. Lovely. So what I'm expecting is making a lower wick, and then to start coming off it. No. So you can see here I've got on my mentorship, I've got my buy ready. Actually, I need to change this. Probably going to be around 640 area, and I'll change it about when we make this low wick. I kind of want to make a nice low wick. Yeah. But yeah, I'm getting used to all that stuff for signals and shit. So 30 minutes time. Sorry, 2 minutes time. We're getting this closure. My days. Wow, before 9 o'clock, already got 74 likes. If you buy on-screen magic keys, do you also get the pip counter for MT5? Yep. Pip counters everywhere. Pip counters on all of them. Yes, it sure does. Pip counter is great. I like it. It's cool, wicked. Yeah, and if you use the on screen, make sure you use my link. It's just there on the stream. It's MXT10. So Antonio, are we ready over here?
Yes, sir.
And locked in. Wait for this lower wick. I hope it comes to.
So I'm going to take it like I'm gonna basically take this on the 1 hour because the 30-minute has that little minor resistance. So the 1 hour is clean. So I'll just wait for a bottom wick and probably use current candle stops since stops are massive.
Sounds good, sounds good. Look at Jayan. I'm finally happy we're out of this bullshit range going 2 weeks. Yeah, same. The fucking range is awful. So yeah, is this hourly? Let's see this hourly low. Yeah, nice.
If the 30-minute drops any lower, then I may use. Well, I'm still gonna use current candle.
Yeah.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Sounds good. Sounds good. 74 likes, man. We do this every single morning. So, if people can make me if people are good at this shit, can someone make me a thumbnail for my live streams now? Because I'm fucking bored of this one. I want to make a cool one, but I have to see what I want to put in it. So we're getting this closure right about now. Amazing. Let's see where gold is just before I keep my head on here. Ooh, yeah, close back up. Where did you put your stop loss? I don't have one yet. The stop loss will be the lower the candle is going to be making in a bit. Yes! Come down, my bitch! Yeah, this hourly needs a bit of a bottom wick for me. This could just run straight away, to be honest. Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho. Ho ho ho. GJ on fire today. Holy shit, there's no stopping it. God damn. For me, I kind of want a bigger wick though. I kind of want it to tap this zone, like 8 pips away, to then continue. I can try a logo. Check my Insta though. It's mainly art and crap. Oh wow, I like that. Not a plug whatsoever. Jayan, can I make you? I'm gonna make you admin as well because I think you're a pretty good lad. And if people are being twats, I want you to just help me out and just fucking remove them. But it looks over here, it's already exceeded the high of the previous hourly. Should continue up above here. But for me, I kind of want to wait a bit longer to make this lower wick.
Facts.
Yeah, it's just moved off too quickly for me. But look at this hourly though. So the reason why I'm not getting in is because this hourly, you know, most hourlies make quite big bottom wicks, so kind of want to chill over here. But looks really good to continue flying. Look at these wicks over here. Holy shit! Finally leaving that zone, broken the high of the previous daily, which is pretty good, and the weekly. Holy fuck! Okay. Now please chill, GJ. Make a lower wick. I was waiting for a nice bottom wick too. Yeah, gotta wait a bit longer over here. 52 viewers, amazing guys. We've smashed it today. So yeah, just waiting for this bit of a bottom wick. I kind of wanted to tap this zone over here, so like 580, to then continue. But if this just runs off, then that's not my playing style. Do 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 do. It's so good we're finally out of this range though. I'm fucking well buzzing with that. Thank God. Ooh. Ooh, you get the 30-minute closure over here, but not on the 15. So 15 and rather have a bit close below. So yeah, so obviously NY I'll be with the mentorship group on our live stream on Zoom, but I'll be putting some stuff in for Discord as well, and should be good for the next stream for sure. But yes, finally breaking out of here. So you've seen like a lot of clean candles this week, hopefully, as long as you stay above this zone over here. 300 152 300 would be nice. Make that lower wick, bitch. So yeah, that's like six pips in profit if you got in on the open. Pull down a bit more, come on. Tap this zone. I want you to tap and reject this zone, because that gives me more confirmation we are leaving this zone again and then continuing up. So let's see. So let's see if this giveaway over here, are we actually coming towards it? My 846 subscribers, so we've only got 154 left. Holy shit. 154 left. Wow, we're smashing that. So if you guys have any friends, make sure to send them the stream and say, come and join the fun. It's good. It's good fun. Let me play a nice song again. I'm sick of this song. Let me just get another copyright because I don't care enough. Holy fucking smokes! I got my money up. Dude. Oh, yes. Here we go. Nice. Right, make this little wick, bitch. Gold boom. Ooh, wow. Look at that. Fuck. Look at that.
I was looking at that, but I needed a better top wick. Like a steeper top wick on gold.
Yeah. I mean, look at that 5 minute though. 5 minutes pretty fire. Yeah, I kind of wanted the closure over here. I mean, 30 minute. Yeah, 30 minute did close below though. I did like that. 50 minute. Boom! The good thing is that this 50 minute over here, it was quite a good confirmation. Came all the way back up and was like, nope! Closed back down over here. The next 4 hour candle should be legendary. Pullback at 500 should be nice to retest the high. Yeah. Damn, it's so hard to trade gold, but it runs like that. Yeah, but you know, so normally if this was the normal time where I trade, which is normally NY, like 1 o'clock, 1:30, when we exceed these lows here, I probably would have been in. Stop loss above. Because it's London, normally it's a bit slower. But if this was like peak time NY open, bro, I'll be balls deep in these cells. Holy shit! And I'll be targeting these lows, 1787, and then furthermore 1785. Turn me up. Yeah. How the fuck your bitch and her best friend in front of her? Yeah, still got 53 minutes left. All good. I see that in the summer. So I wanted to do this, guys. Like this. Fucking smokes, I got my money out. Count on these pants, took me a while to just damn run it up. Damn, so hard to treat gold when it runs out. Can you trust this GJ 1 hour candle for buy? Yeah, I trust it. I trust it with my life. I just need the lower wick to confirm, and then when we pull back up and flip, bro, I'm gonna be in that. Or if, I mean, yeah, I'll have to wait. Maybe a salary play as well. I'll have to see. I just want this low wick to be a bit bigger, because that will be my stop loss, hopefully. 75 likes, let's go. 75 likes, woohoo.
I'm gonna get off me, guys, but have a blessed day. It's been a pleasure as always.
Lovely, Connor. Thank you very, very much. You smashed that. You smashed that trade. Congrats.
Yeah, still got runner running now. Final two keys at 152.900. So.
Jeez, fire, bro.
Yeah, man, safe. Right, take care, people. I'll see you later.
See you later, bud. Right, I'll do one more song. Oh, I like Myron, yeah. Look at this pulling. Luke hit a nice one, yeah, boy. Luke did well. So, oh, still would be in this trade. Nah, I wouldn't be with this 15-minute close. And this hourly close bearish as well. Oof. Don't design me. Come on, make a nice low wick. Come on, boy. 78 likes. Shee! We're gonna hit 80 likes today. Holy fuck. Tell me, playing hockey. Come on, so like I'm kind of thinking this area, like 580 will be good, because 580 if it comes down here and closes back in, we know we're rejecting these highs and we have to wait a bit longer. But then he just lying. To her back, I swear the whole be trying. There we go.
What you think about gold potentially closing about 6 minutes here, 15-minute time frame?
It's already ran down quite a lot for me. I mean, it's hitting these zones. For me, I kind of missed the entry. I wanted to get up here. I think like it's just too choppy here. Like I know with volume we should push, but now like if we're here in this zone, I don't fucking know. I might just leave it until we get to 1785. So they're clean and they like me. Oh my god! It literally like doesn't fucking want to flip this hourly candle. It like flipped it tiny bit and didn't do anything again. Come on. Yes, come on. Come on, boy. I'm not playing hockey. They're not waiting, they don't really like me. Here we go. Come on, push down a bit more. Come on, man. So the reason why we wait for this low wick is obviously we want the low wick for stop losses and stuff, but it also kind of tells us if we are going to be faked out or not. Because if this candle pushes really far down in here, then we know we're getting faked out, and we still haven't entered yet. But if we do start flipping back up, then we should be good. But this candle over here is really like struggling to go down further. Come on. I'm on the bigger bottom wick, boy. Oh, bro, this is gonna run again, I think. Look at this 5 minute. Thing is, where could I put the stops? Yeah, it's way too big for me. Oh, here. I just ran up on my bands.
What you think about buys on GJ above that resistance at 152.665?
Yeah.
If we get a closure in 4 minutes.
I am thinking this, yeah. See where this next 15-minute goes. Awanda rejected. I'm just looking at the. I kind of want to base on the hourly, and I just want this hourly to make a bottom wick. I'm almost supreme than I beast.
If it pushes through and Right now, we'll be looking at like a 8 pip stop. Well, I was, but if it pushes through and give me like a good 10 pip, I'll take it. Closure on the 15.
Yeah, we'll see. I want to see how this closes over here. 79 likes. Sheesh, amazing. Right, that's enough copyright now. Differently. Whoa. Look at that! Look at that gold drop! Holy shit! So we called out gold as well. I mean, we were looking for gold. I mean, there wasn't really any entries. There was a little 5-minute entry, but apart from that, so got 18 minutes left of this 30-minute candle. We're right at these highs again. Ooh, this is tempting, but I just know volume starts to die down now. It's like, are we gonna still push? So the reason why I know volume dies down is because I know from like 9:30 to 11:30, the volume does start to die. And this is from back testing, looking at previous days, seeing where they're at. So yeah, let's just see over here. Let's see this 50-minute candle closes. I'm really wanting a deeper wick though. Wow, we hit 80 likes. Congrats, guys. Thank you very, very much. Oh my god, soon we'll hit 100 likes. That'll be fire. That'll be too fire. So yeah, still waiting over here. I just want this wick to be a bit bigger, because it'll confirm to me that we're leaving this zone over here. W on the 80 likes. Holy shit, yeah. So still got a lot of time in this hourly candle though, which is good. We'll see how far we can get for this lower wick in a sec. Is GPUSD still flown? Yeah, there's resistance levels over here. Can you see? So taking profits on GU would have been easy there. Wow, I would still be in this GBPUSD trade, struggling. GA about to break the high. Yeah, this is the one that I'm paper trading right now. Still got 46 minutes left to push. Should be good. So, oh, here we go now. Come on, now make a good low wick. Someone's waiting on gold to make the top wick on the 50-minute. Yeah, for me though, I mean, I wanted to get in here, but if now we're in this zone over here, I wanted to take profit, so I can't really enter here. But I can see why people can get it. I mean, big volume. Look at this. I don't like this here though. Candles came all the way down, mid big wicks, and kind of made some support. So there is like a support right here. And then you can say there's also supports here, the supports here. There's just supports everywhere because it's such a fucking shit range. Like, it's just chalked. That shit choked as shit. Charts for stream. Let's have a look over here. Let's have a look. Oh, Giovanni. Buy at break and stop loss below current candle. Yeah. Okay. So it's got 17 minutes left though. Okay. Buy at break and stop loss. Wait, so you entered on the break? Is that candle here not got a top wick? So on the break of the current, did you enter with? Did it have no bottom wick though? Maybe try and wait for the bottom wick like it is now, and then when it starts flipping up, then you can enter, because that's literally proving that you're breaking this zone. You're leaving this zone over here and then continuing. This is what I mean over here. Comes down, then when we start flipping to like here. But yeah, cracking though. Stop loss will be below the previous I'm assuming. The issue is, yeah, wait for the low wick, because most candles make a low wick, remember, and then you don't get faked out as well if you do this kind of strategy. Let's take a look. Already checked it out, so we in good here. Let's do this. Oh wow, gold sells pretty strong over here. Sheesh. So with the closure, wait for the top wick, and then boom, exceeding the lows. Nice. I mean, that was pretty reasonable. Oh no wonder we closed below the 30-minute. So like I said, pretty decent. you can see we're kind of struggling here. For me, do not know if this 50-minute closing like this kind of shows we're losing a bit of volume. Coming towards 9:15, which is normally where the volume does start to die down. I'll have to wait a bit further over here. Maybe give it another 10 minutes or so. I want to make this. Come on, make a fucking better lower wick, and then flip it, bitch. Come on, boy. So gold, where did gold close? Yeah, so made a top wick. I should continue back down to these lows over here. Thing is, where would your stop loss be? Would it just be very, very tight? We'll have to see. Oh, okay, look at this. Okay, look at the 30-minute. Nice. So I need to also take into account that the 30-minute does only have 12 minutes left over here. So, and I don't really like how the 50-minute closes like this. Doji suggests that we're losing a bit of volume. We'll see how far.
I think I might just call it a session myself. And
yeah.
During NY.
That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking.
Mm-hmm.
Because we know, I mean, if you backtest, you know, you look at 9:30 till 11:30, and these moves, and they normally kind of range a bit. They'll, you know, they'll fuck about. You don't want to be caught in a trade like that.
Facts.
But I mean, yeah, wait for this lower wick. I mean, it could still be an option, but 12 minutes time does have potential to start flipping and pushing. I don't know. I don't know. So. Amazing. We did a load of analysis. We did gold sells when the 30-minute closed below over here, looking nice. Someone sold on that doji. Oh wow. Over here. Yeah, it's pretty aggressive, but I hope it works out. How did the GPAUD trade go? Let's take a look. Ooh, still in it. Exceeded the high. I'm still in this shit. To be honest, it's towards the end of the session, so it would be more my paper trade for GA. I actually got a notification. It would have been here. This is at 4:30 though. Like 7 o'clock, 7:30, and 8 o'clock. Yeah, so it probably wouldn't have been any really trade I could have caught. Apart from maybe 7:30, just pushing. Let's look at the 15-minute. Yeah, I'd rather have getting a bit earlier, but obviously this isn't my time frame, so. Still waiting on GA to push over here. Off now, mate. 10 pips today. Happy days. Thanks again for the stream, mate. Class as always. Thank you very, very much. Hope you enjoyed. There's 10 pips. Oh, holy shit. Yeah, you can see GJ here is just relaxing, bro.
Facts. I think I'm gonna hop off my G.
Yeah, bro. I think I am as well. I think the whole squad is. Is GJ come?
Everybody tomorrow.
Yes, sir. See you later, Antonio, bro. So. Someone's saying, is GJ coming for retest? I think now you should wait for GJ for NY session because volume will die down. And what you need to wait for is support to form somewhere and then to ride it back up. I don't think getting into any trades now is going to be a bit hard because the volume has died down. If you go and back test for the past month, 2 months, at 9:30 we always die down. So just chill. And 6 profit for now. Lovely, yeah, I think it could be okay over here. Did you get in like here? Not too bad, not too bad. So later on, yeah, we're gonna be looking consistently for GJ buys all day. When we get this 4-hour close above resistance as well, oh my god, we're gonna be good for NY. And yeah, we'll be really good. So gold, I'm still waiting for sells below 1785. Thanks for today, bro. Learning for each session. I love that. Thank you. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure to like it. And we are going to hop off here right now. Easy to be observed many times, though. Thank you very much. Thanks for all of the good words there, guys. Cheers. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Peace out. Thank you very much.